Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two gaming motherboards that will blow your mind. On the left side, we have the Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2. And on the right side, we have the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi Gaming. Get ready for some serious motherboard mayhem. Alright, let's kick things off with the price. The Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 comes in at a cool $189, while the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi Gaming hits your wallet a bit harder at $259. Ouch, looks like the Asus motherboard is giving us a budget-friendly option here. Now, let's talk about processor support. The Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is ready for action with the AMD Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series, plus the 5000 and 4000G series desktop processors. Meanwhile, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi Gaming supports the AMD Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors. It's like having a ticket to the future of gaming. When it comes to gaming connectivity, both motherboards bring their A-game. The Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 boasts PCIe 4.0 readiness, dual M.2 slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.2 output. On the other hand, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi Gaming offers extended heatsink design, M.2 Shield Frozer, and lightning-fast PCIe Gen 4 performance for NVMe-based SSDs. It's like having a turbocharged gaming machine. Let's dive into networking. The Asus motherboard comes equipped with onboard Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11ax, and Intel 2.5 gigabits Ethernet with ASUS LANGuard. Talk about a smooth online gaming experience. Meanwhile, the MSI motherboard steps up its game with 2.5G LAN and Intel Wi-Fi 6E solution. It's like having a rocket-powered internet connection. Power is crucial when it comes to gaming. The Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 features a robust power solution with 12+2 teamed power stages, ProCool power connector, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors. It's built to handle the most demanding gaming sessions. On the other side, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi Gaming brings its premium thermal solution with an extended heatsink design and M.2 Shield Frozer. It's like having an ice-cold motherboard that can handle any heat. Last but not least, let's talk software. The Asus motherboard comes bundled with a 60-day AIDA64 Extreme subscription, giving you access to powerful diagnostic and benchmarking tools. Plus, its intuitive UEFI BIOS dashboard makes tweaking settings a breeze. Meanwhile, the MSI motherboard brings its own arsenal of software goodies, ready to enhance your gaming experience. It's like having your very own tech wizard by your side. Both the Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 and the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi Gaming have their own strengths and unique features. It all comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Well, folks, we've reached the end of this epic motherboard battle. Remember to check the links in the description for more information on these products. Don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more epic showdowns and smart shopping tips. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.